Hello everyone. Colin Munro, the 37-year-old New Zealand batter, has announced his retirement from international cricket, leaving behind a legacy of innovation and aggression on the field. With a career spanning over a decade, Munro has made a significant impact on the world of cricket, particularly in the shorter formats of the game. Born on March 11, 1987, in Durban, South Africa, Munro moved to New Zealand with his family at a young age. He began his cricketing journey in Auckland, representing the Auckland Aces in domestic cricket. His impressive performances earned him a call-up to the New Zealand national team in 2012. Munro made his international debut in 2012 against South Africa in a T20I match. He scored 23 runs off 18 balls, showcasing his aggressive intent from the outset. He went on to make his ODI debut in 2013 against England, scoring 40 runs off 34 balls. Munro's career gained momentum in 2016, when he scored a 14-ball half-century against Sri Lanka, the fastest 50 in T20 international cricket at the time. This innings showcased his ability to score quickly and take the game away from the opposition. He continued to impress in the T20 format, earning a reputation as one of the most feared hitters in the game. Some of Munro's notable achievements include 47-ball century against West Indies in 2018, the second fastest century in T20 international cricket, 14-ball half-century against Sri Lanka in 2016, the fastest 50 in T20 international cricket at the time, 1,001 runs in T20 international at an average of 33.7, and a strike rate of 156.41, 1,432 runs in one-day internationals at an average of 30.25 and a strike rate of 105.58. Munro has also made a significant impact in franchise cricket, playing for teams like the Kolkata Knight Riders, Delhi Daredevils, and Trinbago Knight Riders in the Indian Premier League and Caribbean Premier League. His aggressive style and ability to score quickly have made him a sought-after player in T20 leagues around the world. Colin Munro's retirement from international cricket marks the end of an era in New Zealand cricket. His innovative and aggressive style of play has inspired a generation of cricketers, and his legacy will continue to be felt in the years to come. While he may not have played as much Test cricket as he would have liked, his impact on the shorter formats of the game is undeniable. As Munro continues to play franchise cricket, fans around the world will have the opportunity to witness his explosive batting once again. His retirement from international cricket may be the end of one chapter, but it's certainly not the end of his illustrious career. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this one.